We clearly need to fix this. We are Kristen and Michael. We bought our first house in the Joshua Tree area of California in 2021 at the height of COVID and DIY renovated it into our very own Airbnb. We've been putting our blood, sweat, and tears into this house. We've been documenting that journey ever since and showing you what it's like to be a host. The good, the bad, and how we've been making this house the most profitable it can be. So come along with us on this journey. No, he'd like to come inside. How's everything looking? Just got here. Michael and I are about to unload the car, and I'm already seeing that I think we need a new rug. Like, what were we thinking when we bought a cream rug? It is, it's getting a little dirty, Finny. Which room do we want? Okay, so here we are. It's a good thing we're here because you notice little things. Like, maybe we need to get more comforter covers, duvet covers. There's spots right there. And this is split open, which is probably an easy fix if you are a sewer. We clearly need to fix this. It's not looking like it's highest of quality if it's just open like that, so.
Why are we here?
We are here because we are here.
We have not been here in a long time. Since it's been a month since we've been here.
So we came to do a pottery class. He surprised me with our own private class. So we're gonna be doing that today, and I'm very excited.
And then we got a couple things that we need to do here at the house. The bookings have been good, January so far. There's little things that need to be done, but one thing that we've teased about before is we don't want a TV.
We don't want a TV in the house.
We don't want a TV in the house, but we feel like we might be missing out on some people that like just want to watch a movie or something like that.
Yeah.
And we don't want a TV because one, it's just like this black box on the wall.
Don't love it.
Don't tell me about the art frame TVs. I do not want to spend $2,000 on a TV.
And so we decided to put in a projector.
What we have, this is Kristen. Kristen's gonna do this one.
You saw this massive thing that Michael brought in.
We got that, and then we got this projector, which this is not sponsored, but I spent so much freaking time looking up projectors, like, what?
So much time, you guys.
I wanted to make sure that it was nice. And we bought it once. And then after doing all that research, I went and bought one that was not on any of the lists that I was researching. So we'll see how it does.
What?
We'll see if it's good.
I mean, we tried it at home and it looked great.
Don't say that.
Oh.
I'm adding drama.
Oh, okay. Well, we have no idea what's gonna happen, so.
But this one has built-in Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube. I feel like that's enough. And also, I wanted to ask you guys out there that do have like TVs and stuff in your Airbnb. I feel like you don't need to provide Netflix. If people have Netflix, they can just log in.
Yeah, I've heard that too.
Right?
Yeah.
I mean, we have Netflix and I could leave my account logged in and just have the guest one.
Yeah, it'd be different if we're like watching something weird, you know, and you don't want people to see what you're watching, but that doesn't matter.
No, I don't care. So,
let us know what you think.
We are going to try and figure out how to install this in this room without being too invasive and changing things up too much, because the name of the game 2025 is the No Stress Express.
No Stress Express. Toot, toot, toot.
All aboard, because the last year or two has been
All Stress Express.
All stress, full stress ahead.
Yeah.
So if you want to join us on the No Stress Express, feel free to. So we are trying to do this simple and easy and just add a little feature that our guests will enjoy.
Yeah, simple and easy.
Simple and easy. It's never simple and easy.
Very tall. I don't know where this is gonna fit.
All right, let's figure this out. Okay.
Later. Or now. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, that smells like a factory. One of the things that I wanted to do was not get a motorized one, and Kristen wanted a motorized one because I don't want to have remotes laying around everywhere and like cables running down from things.
And them yanking it out of the ceiling was my
So this looks like
scared.
I just need to put 2 hooks in the ceiling.
What's up? Check out our flat screen. That's so cool.
Now the real question is, can this be seen during the day with the blinds closed if somebody wanted to? Okay, so we can see the picture during the daytime.
Yeah, it looks good.
You can actually see it. Like if you really wanted to,
You could watch something.
you could watch something.
All right.
Hey, it looks pretty good.
We are out.
Not bad.
Okay, so how easy is this?
Yeah, you do it this time.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so the only thing left to do is to figure out how to hide this cable running down, but I had one in the garage, one left over of these cable raceways, and this will get me not all the way down. I would like to go all the way down to the ground so you can't see any black, at least.
Okay, so one thing that you guys have seen me do in the bathroom is fix the baseboard because it gets really steamy in there and we do not have a fan.
No, that's not it. The shower head that we have is a top-rated shower head and we absolutely love it. Yeah. But I'll show you what kind it is. It's the kind with all the little nipples on it. You know what I'm talking about? They're the little rubber nipples. When mineral builds up in them, they kind of squirt off to the side. And this one, the water pressure is so high and it shoots right at the back wall. And so the water sprays out from the side of the curtain.
Yeah, and I fixed that baseboard.
But it's not the mist in the room. It's the water spraying. And that we see guests take the mat
outside
to dry it.
Sometimes to dry
because of this.
When they're checking out, the mat is out front and we're like, what's going on? And it's soaked. I'm assuming they're drying it out.
So
this is our resolution, our solution,
a potential solution,
because it has different speeds.
And we can angle it. It's angled down.
Very excited about the Moen. Once you put it in, maybe I'll try it.
You can easily dock it with your eyes closed.
Wow.
It's on our long list to redo the bathroom. For now, this is what it's gonna be.
Yeah.
It's got like a magnet on the back. Let's try it out. Right, let's take this one off. You guys see these little nipples? Well, we need to soak this in vinegar. All of these are all like kind of calcified, but we're gonna take this home and use it at home because it's nice. I really dislike that things are all plastic now.
Yeah, this feels cheap. I thought it was gonna be metal and like solid. The only thing that's metal is
the magnet.
Oh,
this is not on tight all the way. We'll see. We'll try it. How much was it?
I want to say it was like $60, $80.
That's a lot for a shower head. All right, well now Kristen gets to test it out. What do we think? Oh.
I love the shower head. I think it's not like too, I don't feel like there's a vortex in here like before. It was like so much wind.
Yeah, we have weights on the bottom of this curtain because of
that. Yeah.
Yeah.
No problem.
Okay.
Except I dropped it at the beginning because I was trying to figure out how to get it situated how I wanted. But
yeah.
Otherwise, great.
Okay.
Love it.
Guys have not seen this yet. I got a new blower for Christmas, and I'm so excited about it because it is cordless. And over time, the garage just fills up with leaves and stuff from the... Never mind my dirty garage, but I'm going to blow all this out right now because I can, and it's fun. So there has been one place that Kristen and I have been meaning to try, and that is Snake Bite Roadhouse in Yucca Valley. We drive by it so many times, and we were so excited to finally try it. Right when you walk in, there's this really cool pool table with a lot of history, and then we sat in the diner up front, and their burgers sounded so good. We got what we could order on our dietary restrictions, had an amazing time, and then we headed to Mojave Flea Trading Post to kill some time before our ceramics class. Our favorite store where we usually get our home spray Moonwind trading trading company has officially closed for good. So now we have to come here. If you're in the area, make sure to check this spot out because it has a ton of stuff. Ready?
So ready. I'm gonna make a mug, I think. Yeah, right. I'll probably make like a tiny little something.
Yeah, they're probably gonna tell us what we make.
Oh, you
probably
think?
don't get a choice.
We probably don't. We'll probably get the easiest little thing.
Yeah.
It's like a Palo Santo holder.
Yeah.
Just something flat.
Yeah.
All right, let's do this.
Let's do it.
We have driven by ZZIEE Ceramics for years, and this has been a dream of mine to come into this store. And I guess this isn't really a store, this is a workshop. And we took a private class Michael got me for Christmas. I was so excited, I can't even tell you. And we had owner of the shop, and she was our teacher that day. It was everything I've dreamed of and more. Maybe if we had shown off some real skill, she would have been like, cool, let's make a mug or something. But we did the minimum, not really the minimum, but the basics. We made like a basic vase pretty much. We didn't get to go home with our masterpieces quite yet because they have to go in the kiln a couple times and dry out and get painted, and then we'll pick them up in a few weeks. 10 out of 10. Recommend doing pottery classes.
That was fun.
That was really fun.
And both of ours survived. Like they did not flop over.
We had a couple scares.
Yeah, mine almost collapsed.
But we made it.
Yeah.
And yeah, I love it.
So much fun.
I knew we would love it.
Yeah.
We like art like that. So that was really fun. We like art. And I felt like at ease and comfortable and not like judged.
That was because we did private classes.
Yes, we weren't in a class with everybody.
They do public classes where I'm sure you would be judged and shamed.
Yeah, I'm sure. I'd say 10 out of 10. I would recommend doing the ZZIEE Ceramic. We didn't even ask her how to say it.
I think she said ZZIEE.
Did she?
Yeah.
Oh, she did. That's a place to go. It was so fun.
So we got a free little bowl.
Yeah.
That we can make matcha in.
Yeah. Oh, that's what we can make a matcha in.
Yeah. They didn't pull good enough.
Yeah, I know.
I know.
I know. I saw that.
Yeah.
There was like a lip thing. Yeah. We're experts now. All right, let's go get Bubs.
We listen and we don't judge.
Once we got home, we took Finn for a walkie, and then we curled up by the fire. And this is one of our favorite things to do during the winter, is just make a fire in the stove. It's so magical just to be here and nice and cozy with Michael and Finn. And then we had to try out the projector, which was amazing. We watched Interstellar. We both cried like babies, and it was so awesome. And that was our trip. We will see you in next week's video. Bye, guys.